Plant FAQs. BananAppeal Illicium. Illicium Parviflorum BananAppeal. What is BananAppeal Illicium? BananAppeal Illicium is a unique cultivar of the Illicium genus, commonly known as star anise or anise tree. The BananAppeal, part of its name comes from its bright yellow foliage, reminiscent of a banana peel. This evergreen shrub adds a splash of color to any garden with its striking leaves and compact form. It's a fantastic choice for gardeners looking to bring some year-round brightness to their landscapes. How to care for BananAppeal Illicium. Caring for BananAppeal Illicium is relatively easy, making it an excellent option for both novice and experienced gardeners. Here's how I take care of mine. Light. This plant thrives in partial to full shade, although it can tolerate some morning sun. Too much direct sunlight can scorch the leaves, so it's best to plant it in a spot where it gets filtered light. Soil. BananAppeal Illicium prefers well-drained, acidic soil. I usually add organic matter to the soil to improve its texture and nutrient content. Mulching is also beneficial as it helps retain moisture and keeps the roots cool. Watering. While this plant is relatively drought-tolerant once established, it does best with consistent moisture. I water mine regularly, especially during dry spells, but I make sure not to overwater as soggy soil can lead to root rot. Fertilization. I feed my BananAppeal Illicium with a slow-release, acid-loving plant fertilizer in early spring. This gives it the nutrients it needs to produce vibrant foliage and remain healthy throughout the growing season. Pruning. Pruning is not usually necessary, but if you want to maintain a specific shape or size, you can trim it back in early spring. I occasionally remove any dead or damaged branches to keep the plant looking its best. How to propagate BananAppeal Illicium. Propagating BananAppeal Illicium can be done through cuttings, which is my preferred method. Here's how I do it. Selecting a cutting. In late spring or early summer, I choose a healthy, non-flowering stem and cut a 4 to 6 inch section just below a leaf node. Preparing the cutting. I remove the lower leaves, leaving only a few at the top. Then, I dip the cut end in rooting hormone to encourage root development. Planting the cutting. I plant the cutting in a pot filled with a well-draining potting mix. It's important to keep the soil moist and place the pot in a shaded area. Caring for the cutting. Over the next few weeks, I keep the soil consistently moist and wait for roots to develop. Once the cutting has established roots, I transplant it to its permanent location in the garden. What to plant with BananAppeal Illicium. When choosing companion plants for BananAppeal Illicium, I look for plants that enjoy similar growing conditions. Here are a few that pair well. Ferns. Their delicate, feathery fronds contrast beautifully with the bold, yellow foliage of BananAppeal Illicium. Plus, they thrive in similar shady conditions. Hostas. The broad, textured leaves of hostas complement the smooth, glossy leaves of BananAppeal Illicium. Both plants enjoy partial shade and moist, well-drained soil. Camellias. These flowering shrubs provide a lovely backdrop for BananAppeal Illicium. Their blooms add color in the winter and early spring, creating a garden that's attractive year-round. How to use BananAppeal Illicium in landscaping. BananAppeal Illicium is a versatile plant that can be used in various ways in the landscape. Here are some ideas based on my experiences. Foundation planting. I love using BananAppeal Illicium as part of a foundation planting. Its evergreen foliage provides year-round interest, and its compact size makes it ideal for planting near the house. Mixed borders. BananAppeal Illicium works well in mixed borders, where its bright yellow leaves stand out against darker green foliage. It can be a focal point or a filler plant, depending on your design. Container gardening. If you're limited on space, BananAppeal Illicium can thrive in containers. Just make sure to use a large enough pot and keep the soil consistently moist. Is BananAppeal Illicium toxic? Yes. BananAppeal Illicium, like other Illicium species, contains compounds that can be toxic if ingested. It's important to plant it in areas where children and pets are unlikely to come into contact with it. I always make sure to educate visitors about the plant's toxicity to prevent accidental ingestion. What are the benefits of growing BananAppeal Illicium? There are several benefits to growing BananAppeal Illicium in your garden. Here's why I recommend it. Low maintenance. Once established, BananAppeal Illicium requires minimal care, making it a great choice for gardeners looking for an easy-to-grow plant. Year-round color. The bright yellow foliage provides a pop of color throughout the year, even in the winter when most plants have gone dormant. Pest and disease resistance. This plant is generally resistant to pests and diseases, which means fewer problems to deal with in the garden. Attracts wildlife. While the plant itself is toxic, it can attract beneficial insects and birds, adding life to your garden. Final thoughts. BananAppeal Illicium is a standout plant in any garden. Its vibrant color, ease of care, and versatility make it a fantastic addition to any landscape. Whether you're looking to brighten up a shady spot or add some year-round interest, BananAppeal Illicium is a plant that delivers. Just remember to keep it out of reach of children and pets due to its toxic properties, and you'll enjoy its beauty for years to come.